Hi and welcome back to Bad Hair Adventures. We are in the little village of Eye. Can't really see it behind us, but that's Eye Castle.
Which is shut.
Which is shut. It's a super misty, foggy kind of day. It's a bit Silent Hill. So we're going to crack on. Join us. It's a bit of a warren is Eye, so we've been walking around and around in circles and now we're at Dove Lane, which is like the beginning point of our walk. So onward.
We came for the stunning views over Eye towards the church. As you can see, they are stunning. Every time. So I just walked down there and then I realised I didn't have my bank card anymore. Yay! So I had to run back up here and thank God it's red, it's obvious, and it's here.
And reach a concrete area, bear right and continue through a peaceful Suffolk vista of meadows and trees. So it's like that far in then, I reckon.
So we just got accosted by a local.
Not accosted.
No, I'm only kidding. No, he was really nice actually. He was saying that, well, he's having a moan about people not having their dogs on leads, which is pretty standard behaviour for most people. And then he suggested we should actually come back in spring because all the swans are nesting and there's, we say egrets.
Yep, they're quite rare.
They're quite rare. And potentially otter. Some otter spotting, so we shall definitely do that when hopefully when the weather's a bit better, because today, as you can see, it's a bit misty. Whee. Still a nice walk though.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. Always shut the gates after you. Leave things as you found them.
That way, I guess.
Yeah. Random, isn't it? Big head. Hearts of organisation. Something. Can't read it.
So that was our little hike around Eye, the craziest little rabbit warren of streets and old buildings. The instructions were not massively brilliant either.
As always.
As always. But we're done. Thank you for joining us. If you like that, click the like. If you want to support the channel, hit the subscribe button and little bell notification so you get the emails to know when we're putting out new videos. Check out our Instagrams that are listed in the description. And we'll see you on the next one.